Are you facing career confusion? Your journey from uncertainty to professional clarity begins here. This is a joint initiative by the Ministry of Education and the Wadhwani Foundation. After 10th or 12th grade, students struggle with the choice between science, arts, or commerce. A wrong decision can lead to regret. This difficulty is amplified by peer pressure, lack of awareness, and fear of misalignment with skills. In the complex digital economy, finding the perfect career fit is challenging. Over 1,500 career paths exist, but most students are only aware of less than 5% of their options. We are here to bridge this massive information gap. Meet My Career Advisor by Mo, a revolutionary AI-powered platform providing personalized roadmaps for students from class 9 to 12. It's a comprehensive, absolutely free career ecosystem for every Indian student, focusing on a personalized path and future readiness. My Career Advisor is built on a foundation of absolute trust. It has national credibility, certified and verified by the Ministry of Education and NCERT-PSSCIVE. We have expert backing from the Wadhwani Foundation, and all data is 100% verified by industry and academic experts. The onboarding process is a simple 4-step plan. First, search My Career Advisor on the Google Play Store. Second, download the Wadhwani Foundation app. Third, click Install. And finally, open the app and launch your future. Access is secure and private. Account creation takes under 2 minutes by simply verifying your email or mobile number via OTP. Your data is safe, as we prioritize privacy and use industry-standard encryption protocols. Our magic algorithm provides career matches by combining 4 key dimensions: aptitudes, interests, values, and passions. This ensures the matched roles align with your strengths and what truly excites you. Explore global career sectors like aerospace, agriculture, banking and finance, IT and software, automotive, and beauty and wellness. We cover over 20 more sectors, including healthcare, logistics, media, and sustainability. No degree, no problem. We offer hundreds of skill-based career options that don't require a college degree. Focus on vocational excellence, technical roles, and high-growth opportunities in specialized trades. For 10th graders, we offer guidance on choosing the right stream. We help identify personality traits and match strengths with subject requirements to help visualize your career map early. Planning after 12th grade includes viewing realistic potential. We provide estimated salary ranges and demand insights for every job role, from entry-level to senior specialists, across high-demand sectors. We empower the entire ecosystem. For students, we offer discovery and exploration. For parents, we provide guidance to support their child's future. For educators, we offer resources for better mentorship. Why choose My Career Advisor? Because of our value proposition. It is 100% free, covers over 1,500 career options, is certified by Mo and NCERT, offers AI-matched personalized roles, and features a student-friendly interface. Your future awaits. Take the first step toward clarity today. Download the My Career Advisor app or subscribe for updates.